Today we will be going over how to create this simple, seamless match cut transition in Final Cut Pro. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you will find plenty of plugins that you can take advantage of. So go ahead and check those out. Some are free and some you have to pay for. But let's get right onto the video for today. Okay, so we have our clips here. And what we want to make sure of when we're doing these match cuts is to try to make sure that every clip is kind of similar to the next clip. So if your clips aren't the same size, you're gonna want to make adjustments to that. Just a heads up. Now to get started, we are going to start off with our first clip. And as we see here, the next clip is pretty similar to our last clip. Now what we want to do here is we want to take our clip that we want to match cut and we want to place that right under our first clip. And in between here, we're going to add a generator gap. So you're going to go to Edit, Insert Generator Gap. Let's place that gap right there. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to move our playhead to about 3 frames until it gets to our match cut clip. So we're going to start off right here and add a keyframe right here. Now let's go 1, 2, 3. And we're just going to lower the opacity all the way down to make this clip underneath appear. So we can play this back and let's see if our match cut is seamless. It's okay right now. You can see a little bit of darkness coming in before. And now we're just gonna bring this bottom clip a little closer up. Gonna bring it about right here. Now let's see how this match cut looks. Now that's a lot better. Very seamless. Okay, so we got our first one done. Now for our second one. We're just gonna repeat the steps. So we're just gonna bring this next clip down right here. And we're gonna press play. And that already looks pretty good, but we're gonna make it look even better. So what we're gonna do here is the exact same thing. We're gonna go about 3 frames ahead. And we're gonna go to our keyframe where the opacity is. Add your keyframe, go 1, 2, 3. And then bring the opacity all the way down. Now let's go back to the beginning and let's see how this match cut looks. Okay, there's a little bit of darkness that comes before, and we're just gonna push our bottom clip a little bit ahead in the timeline to make the transition more seamless. Now let's see how this looks. Still see a little bit of black, so we're just gonna push it up a bit more. Now that's perfect. That was perfect. So we got 1, 2 seamless transitions so far, and we're just gonna top it off with the last one. And we're just gonna recreate the same thing. I'm gonna drag this generator gap out. And I'm just gonna place this on the bottom. And you can also double check before to see if the next clip that you want is exactly aligned by lowering the opacity. You can even align the arms a bit better. If you see that, you just want to make sure that this is as seamless as possible. Try to get the arms in the POV shot as accurate as you can for the next clip. Now we're going to do our same exact thing. Put the opacity back up, add a keyframe. Go 1, 2, 3. Put the opacity down. Let's see how this looks from the middle. That's awesome. Very, very great seamless match cut transitions. Now let's play this back from the top. And guys, you can add sound effects. You can add a lot of more other effects to make this match cut even more engaging. I'm gonna add a new compound clip. I'm just gonna show you guys something extra for sticking around. I'm gonna add a new compound clip, press OK. And I'm just gonna add a glint light effect to enhance this clip. Give it a little bit of halation. As you can see, it's already working pretty good. Let's go from the top. Nice. Perfect. All right, guys, that's it for today. If this video helped you out in any way, please consider liking this video, subscribing, because it does help the YouTube algorithm. Visit our website, take advantage of our website. We have plenty of plugins for you to use in your everyday workflow in Final Cut Pro. Those plugins are there for you guys. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but just go check out the site because most of those plugins will help you out in your everyday workflow in Final Cut Pro. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.